Salesforce unites sales, marketing, service, and IT teams from anywhere with one integrated CRM platform. Hi, I'm Chris from Lightspeed Voice, and today we're going to be going over our integration with Salesforce. In order to get started, there's a short setup process that you'll be able to complete on your own. Within Lightspeed Voice, navigate to Management, Lead Settings, and Integrations. On the right side of the screen, click the plus symbol to add a new integration. Type Salesforce under the integration name and then select Salesforce from the dropdown. Then click Get Started. Under Users Assigned, click Enabled, and then select Unassigned Users. From here, you'll want to select who in your office you'd like to be able to utilize this integration. Just click the box next to their name, and when you're done, click Save. Now on the left side, we'll click Connect to Salesforce. Input your Salesforce credentials and log in. If the login is successful, you'll be taken back to Lightspeed Voice, and you'll see the log into Salesforce is now grayed out with the green check mark. If you're already logged into Salesforce in the same browser, when you click Log into Salesforce, the screen will refresh and be logged in automatically. Down below, make sure to enable triggers within the integration you'd like to use. It's likely you'll want to enable all of them. When enabling the Prospect Created trigger, you'll receive a pop-up window that wants to confirm that you have matching fields. The left side is the fields within Salesforce, and the right side is the fields within Lightspeed Voice. If everything looks correct, click Save Field Map. You'll receive the same pop-up for the Prospect Updated trigger. If you'd like to connect additional fields, click Add Field. Select from the drop-downs which fields you'd like connected. Same as before, click Save once done. After a bit of use, if you go into Salesforce and select one of your prospects, you'll see information synchronized within Salesforce. This is a one-way synchronization. Also, with just a bit more setup, you'll be able to receive call pops within Salesforce, meaning that when I answer an incoming call, it will automatically trigger a new window to pop up with the caller's information. Under Activity on the right, you'll be able to see all calls inbound or outbound on this account. You'll also have a URL that takes you to the call recording on your server. If you'd like to know more about our integration with Salesforce, give us a call at 877-97-VOICE or email us at info@lightspeedvoice.com. Let us show you why we're more than just talk.